I really don't.
Hello. So, I don't notice if you guys see that white stuff on my neck. That's face wash, by the way. I am not a dirty person. I promise. Yeah, it's face wash. Don't judge me.
I don't know what to say because I haven't posted in, let's say, 8 months. I mean, bad YouTuber award goes in here. So basically for today's video, I decided to post. I am sorry for my voice. I was at a football game yesterday and I wore shorts and it was 68 degrees outside, so my ass was freezing. But I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for filming while I'm filming. If you kind of understand that concept. But basically, this is going to be how I get ready for when I'm finna film a video, which I should have done a long time ago because I should have been filming 8 months ago and I just left you guys hanging and I apologize for that. The only excuse I have is that I'm very lazy. My summer was jam-packed and school just started, which, how do I even explain? Okay, so first to start with this video, I got this box. Pinch Me sent it to me. Basically what you do is you go online and you make an account for Pinch Me. Obviously you can do quizzes, they put stuff on the website that you can put in box, if that makes any sense. I suck at explaining things, guys. It would be, if you just go read the description box, it would be so much easier because I suck at explaining things. But honestly, they sent me this box and I am going to show you what I got in it. Does that sound good? I hope so. So the first thing when I put my hands in here is this. I actually put all this stuff. I got to pick all this stuff. This Aquaphor ointment body spray. Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. And mostly the reason why I put this, I can't talk, in my box is because I get really dry on my back and on the back of my legs, if that makes any sense. Excited that they had this up here on the website. Is this Compeed, hopefully I'm saying it right. You guys know I suck at pronouncing things. It protects and cushions blisters, stays in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure. Basically what it does is you put it on the back of your foot and you slip your tennis shoes on or your heels on. And I need these with my Air Force Ones that I just got, or basically any new shoes that you buy, because it just, though I literally have a scar on the back of my foot because the shoe has just been rubbing against the back of my foot. It's a bold brew, 1850, the Folger coffee. Basically, it's coffee, black gold, dark roast coffee. I stopped drinking coffee 2 months ago, so I don't know why I put this in my thing. I'm like a huge coffee lover, like I can't get enough. Literally, my teacher's room yesterday smelled like coffee because she has a coffee brewer in there, and that was gonna make me go through withdrawal. And here we are. Moroccan oil treatment. I get it's for your hair. It's for all hair types, and it's in this small little tiny little cute bottle. And I guess I'm happy they sent me a small bottle because if I don't like it, then I could I don't have to, they didn't waste a big ass bottle on me, Nut butter, protein, 1 egg white. It basically has 1 egg white, 27 peanuts, 1/2, I cannot read, 1/2 dates, and no BS. I'm pretty sure that means no bullshit, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that means no bullshit. Or that's just me thinking how I think, because that says no BS. It might mean something else, but I think it means no bullshit. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. When I go somewhere, I do put on foundation and stuff like that and concealer. But when I'm going to school and I'm filming, I usually don't. I love the look of natural and just natural. I just feel like pimples, acne scars, no matter what, it's still beautiful to me. And freckles, beautiful. And I just love the whole natural look. So I'm going to start by putting my hair up. My hair. It's really annoying. Oh, yeah, it's pretty much better. Can't really see myself again, but It's cool. So, let me grab all this mess. So first, oh wait, this isn't a tutorial to get ready. So, I guess I'll do a little life update for you guys. By the way, this is Lip Smackers. Bombest, lip balm in the world. Just don't argue with me. I started school. Your girl is a high schooler. 9th grade, yes. School is so boring. Movies have lied to me. High School Musical has lied to me. They said high school would be fun. We'd be singing down the hallways and we would just land musicals out the ass. High school's boring as shit. I'm not gonna make it easy. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you easily, if you're an 8th grader and you're looking forward to high school, if I were you, I would just focus on school and just get done with it. Now, I'm not saying that everything in high school is boring, but most of it really is. A lot of friends won't be your friend by the time high school comes. A lot of them change. Now, I'm not saying that's for the bad. I'm not saying that they did anything wrong to you, because I've lost a lot of friends. Not saying that we have gone to fights or anything. We just don't click like we used to. We just don't talk to each other anymore, you know? Because we are on our separate ways in high school, you know? And that stuff kind of sucks. I know it does, but we get over it. I have my little friend group now, and it's better that way. I used to have really bad, I have social anxiety, so I would get really scared thinking about high school and how, oh my god, I'm not gonna have this many friends and barely anybody in there's gonna know my name. But now I'm just thinking, who cares? Because honestly, I do not want everybody knowing my name, you know? That's not what I'm looking for. But I am cheer manager, and that is because I didn't make the cheerleading team last year, and that sucks. I don't know how to tell you that sucks. I wish I did make the cheer team, but I honestly I would rather be a part of the team than not be a part of it at all, because I would rather be a part of the team than not be a part of it anyways. But I love all the girls there. They're all like family to me. It's fun. I love the coaches. And yeah, I am definitely trying out next year, and I feel like if I don't make it next year, I won't really be that mad. I mean, I wouldn't really care. Last time I was crying, bawling my eyes out, but I wouldn't really care because I love being manager. But yeah. Oh, I should probably tell you guys why I haven't been posting and some big things that are coming your way. So I haven't been posting because I went with my dad this summer, and obviously he didn't have a camera. And this camera is like a family camera that me, my mom, my stepdad, my sister, we all just, we just all use. Well, my sister doesn't use it, and my mom really doesn't use it. But I'm mostly the one that uses it, but it stays in the house. So my dad, I really want to get my own camera. You don't know how bad I want my own camera. But my dad doesn't have a camera, but he does, but it doesn't do video, if that makes sense. So I couldn't film for 3 months. The reason why I haven't filmed since February all the way till school ended, which is in May. Yeah, May. I was just being lazy, but schoolwork just put a toll on me, which it was kind of hard to keep up with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take this, I don't know, palette from Walmart, and it has a really cute highlighter in there. So what I do is I take this. I ordered some Morphe brushes and a Morphe palette, so I'm going to be using this shade right here. You can't really even see it. Just this one right here. And I'm going to mix it with the one right next to it. And I'm going to put that on my cheek. I do it like this. I know I'm probably not even doing it right. But I do it like that, and then I go on the next side, and I do it the same way. And don't come for my edges, because I don't do makeup, okay? And then I just do it down on my nose. I try to do it as light as I can, and then build. And then I go tap off some for this part. I go a little bit underneath my eyebrows. And I blend that with the finger. Okay, so then what I do with this part is I blend this with my finger. Oh, and by the way, I have coconut oil with some turmeric shit in it on my face that my mom makes. And I know how everybody feels about coconut oil, but everybody has their own different skin type. I love this. I put this on my body, actually, like all over my body. It worked. So I would advise you to do the same. And if you want some, tell me in the comments, because this stuff has worked and it's actually made my skin a lot clearer. Okay, so after I do that, I basically... Okay, so this is an eyeliner. I mean, an eye pencil. I use it on my lips. Yes, I know I probably shouldn't be doing that, but I do it anyways. Okay. I mean, like, if you're in a pinch, this is what you do. It's not even probably showing up. Okay. Okay. So then I am going to take this Jelly Lippies thing. I said this is not a tutorial, but I'm making it a tutorial. Who fucking cares? It's my channel. Like, and I love Ruby Kisses lip gloss. I get it. You can get it from your local beauty supply store, hair store, whatever you want to call it. I love Ruby Kisses because it sounds, I mean, it feels very thick. If my lip gloss doesn't feel thick, I'll keep reapplying more, even though I might have a lot on. So this is the makeup look. I know, not shit, but I'm gonna take my hair down and just play with it a little bit. It's my dirt. It's just so weird to hide in the kitchen. I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, but that's okay because you're not supposed to wash your hair. Well, I'm not supposed to wash my hair for at least a week, so. But it looks pretty good, actually. This is the video. I know I really didn't talk about much. I am a very boring person. But basically, yeah. Oh, by the way, if you didn't see my shirt, Harry Potter for life, you know. Honestly, I love Harry Potter. If you did not know that, you're living under a rock, okay? Harry Potter is life. Harry Potter is bae. Harry Potter is #food. I don't know how else to explain it to you. If you haven't seen Harry Potter, you live under a rock, you live inside a box, and 200 miles away from Earth. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, oh my god, like, bye.